How to add video to Airbnb listing. Now, unfortunately, videos are not allowed to be uploaded in Airbnb, but there is an alternative or a workaround that we could do. You could convert the video of your place or your house into a GIF. Now, for example, you could utilize Canva over here and you could upload the videos that you have created or taken of your place and you're going to upload it to Canva. After that, you're going to click on share over here on the top right and you're going to click on download and you're going to change it into a GIF, which is a short clip and no sound. After that, simply click on download and you will be able to download whatever video that you have into a GIF and you could easily upload that in Airbnb. GIFs are available and accepted file types that are kind of considered like photos. That's why you're able to do this. Although the quality would severely decrease because of course it's a GIF, but that's the only way for you to be able to upload a video or something video close in Airbnb. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.